Hey guys, welcome to today's German learning video. This is Markus and today we are going to talk about the diphthongs in German. Means a combination of vowels that produce sometimes very unexpected sounds when you just look at the vowels. So we have different ones. The first one is AI and EI, means AI und EI, and they are both pronounced I. Okay? I. Even EI is pronounced I. Counterintuitive, but that's how it is. And words that would be an example for this is das Ei, which is actually a word, it means egg. Das Ei. Or for example, with AI we have der Mai, like May, the month May. Der Mai. Okay? Then we have the next combination of vowels that's like quite clear actually. It's AU, so AU, that is actually also pronounced Au. For example, das Auge, the eye, das Auge. Or the word auch, he. Then we have EU and EU. So EU und EU, and they are both pronounced oi. That is also very counterintuitive. You need to remember it. They are pronounced oi. EU is pronounced oi. So for example, Europe in German would be Europa. Europa. Okay. Also the word neu, which means new, neu. Or with an example with EU would be Häuser, which is the plural of house, means houses, Häuser, die Häuser. Then there's one more, which is IE. So in German, if we want to produce a long E sound, we put IE, and that is just pronounced E, long E. For example, the word sie, that can mean her, but it can also mean ab, sie, and also die Liebe, love, die Liebe. Okay, that was it for today's video. If you like it, thumbs up, subscribe, bell, and comment if you have any suggestions for good content. And I'm going to see you next time. Bye.